Congress champion breeders Bill and Linda Sands of Sands Quarter Horses are proud to present You Bet I'm Good for consideration of breeders participating in the pleasure, performance, and foundation quarter horse industry. He is double registered with the American Quarter Horse Association and with the Foundation Quarter Horse Registry. You Bet I'm Good is an attractive 15-2-hand bay roan with beautiful movement and natural cadence. When he was old enough to be ridden, the Sands, as well as his trainer, knew he would be good. His trainer felt he was destined to be a Congress and world champion until an untimely injury sidelined his show career. At that time, the Sands decided to retire him to stud and to focus on their breeding program. He has an incredible, gentle disposition and great mind. He is producing prospects with similar dispositions, movement, and beauty that are necessary to be competitive in the show arena. You Bet I'm Good passes shortbacks, deep hocks, flat movement, pretty heads, overall good looks, and correctness to his foals. 80% of his offspring have color. You Bet I'm Good sired his first foal crop in 2003. He is already producing National Snafflebit Association champions and circuit champions. His foals show great promise of achievement in multiple performance disciplines. Foals sired by You Bet I'm Good are eligible for the AQHA Incentive Fund, the NSBA and NSBA Breeders' Championship Futurity, the Tom Powers Futurity, and many state futurities. You Bet I'm Good offers some of the most sought-after bloodlines found in the performance horse industry today. His sire is the phenomenal NSBA Hall of Fame inductee, Zippos Mr. Goodbar. He earned a superior in Western Pleasure and was a top money-earning pleasure horse. Zippos Mr. Goodbar has produced world champion and reserve world champion offspring in 3 breed associations. He is a multiple Congress champion sire and leading sire of performance offspring. His pleasure offspring have earned more than $500,000. You Bet I'm Good is out of Solano, Tigeriffic. She earned over $1,000 in the National Cutting Horse Association. She has produced AQHA Open Register of Merit offspring as well as NSBA money earners. Her pedigree includes the influential bloodlines of Doc Barb and King 234. Solano Tigeriffic is a daughter of the renowned sire, AQHA champion Tiger Leo. His get record includes world champion offspring, multiple superior halter and performance offspring, multiple AQHA champion offspring, and more than 90 ROM earners. His get earned over $87,000 in the National Cutting Horse Association. Tiger Leo, without doubt, has made a major contribution to the pleasure horse industry. He was inducted into the NSBA Hall of Fame in 1995. Solano Tigeriffic is out of the extraordinary mare Beth's Doc Solano. She earned 132 performance points and achieved a Superior Event Award in Western Pleasure. Her offspring have earned several Performance Register of Merits in open and youth events. Her versatile offspring have earned halter points, multiple all-around show wins, and earnings from the National Cutting Horse Association and from the National Reining Horse Association. The Zippos Mr. Goodbar and Tiger Leo cross is proven and has produced many world and Congress champions. You Bet I'm Good passes along excellent quality attributes of both modern-day and foundation-bred performance horses. You Bet I'm Good is an excellent breeding value. If you're not in the mood to gamble on your breeding, why not breed to You Bet I'm Good? He is a sure bet on a good return.